Meet the Aromely, the perfect HVAC diffuser for homes, apartments, and offices for up to 1,800 square feet. Setting it up is quick and easy. Let's get started. Inside the box, you'll find the Aromely diffuser, power adapter, magnetic tags, and the screws to mount the diffuser to the wall, an empty oil bottle with its nozzle, and an HVAC connecting hose. To release a security pin and remove the bottle from your diffuser, place the included tag on the specific area of the diffuser where the lock mechanism is. In this case, on the left side of the diffuser on the top. Once the magnetic tag is correctly positioned, the lock will release, allowing you to smoothly pull out the empty bottle. Choose your favorite Aromely essential oil. Unscrew the bottle cap and fill it up. Secure back the bottle and nozzle into the diffuser. Make sure it clicks into place. Important: never mix water with oil. Connect the power adapter and it will automatically start misting in its default setting. Customize your experience. Adjust scent intensity and set a schedule using our Aromely app, available on both Google Play and the App Store, for automatic fragrance control at your convenience. You are now ready to enjoy the art of scent.